In this video, we'll learn how to use the text markup tool to add highlights and underlines to the scripture on your canvas. To begin, let's click on Text Markup in the main menu. After clicking once, you can see that the tool is active and ready to use. Let's click again to open the menu. Within the Text Markup menu, there's a preview showing you what your highlights and underlines will look like on the canvas, as well as color selection tools, and a slider to determine the transparency of your markup. Let's click on the green color in Theme Colors. The theme colors are a set of colors designed to work specifically with the currently active theme. Let's add a green highlight to the word grace by clicking or tapping on that word and selecting Highlight from the menu. You can also select multiple words at a time for markup by clicking and dragging on those words, then selecting Highlight or Underline from the menu. To remove a highlight, simply click on a highlighted word and select the Cross-Through Highlight option. You can do the same with underlines. And that's it, you're ready to add highlights and underlines to identify the themes of the scripture on your canvas.